music producers? It's Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com, and today I want to do something a little bit different. I want to make a beat on a $60 budget. Now the beat is already complete. It's an EDM trap beat, or my version of EDM trap beat. And what I wanted to do is take advantage of the fact that, of course, you guys know I went legal with all my software, including FL Studio and all my VSTs. But as I build it together, I thought it would be great to kind of turn it into a series as I get new stuff and even free stuff. Because the crazy thing about it is that a lot of these websites that are basically like SoundKit websites give you a lot of stuff for free. Some of this stuff is my subscription services that I have, but I want to break it down for you and once again prove to you it's not about the gear, it's about the ear. So first and foremost, I signed up for an account with Splice. You guys know that I did a review of Splice, and I signed up for the $13.99 account, but with the amount of drums that I have, you can actually do it for $9.99. And if you choose to sign up, go ahead and go to my VIP custom link that I designed for you, and you can go ahead and sign up through there. Go on and get yourself access to 700K sounds, first and foremost. Secondly, I went and finally bought the legal version of Salenth. I actually got the monthly fee, which is €9.95, which let's go ahead and see what the currency of that is. €9.95 to dollars. It's about 12 bucks. So we're accounting for that. So that's $9.99 for Splice, 12 bucks for Salenth. And finally, I got my hands on the Dada Life sausage fattener for the 808s, because although I can still get a good mix with FL Studio, this is just one of my favorite sounds that just fatten up everything that you're working with. I feel like I should pause that. Also, I caught my preset for Salenth from Producer Grind. They had one in particular called the Care Package, which came with a few different Salenth packages, but everything that I'm working with is either stock or things that I got from these few websites that I just shared with you. But anyways, let's go to the beat. Okay, so here we are at FL Studio. Like I said, all of these sounds, these one shots, are all from Splice. Including the lead sound that you're gonna hear in this. These are actually stock Salenth sounds. There's a string and a pad that's actually stock. It's another Splice sound. Really, this beat is all about sound design. Even when you go up here to the effects, on the master, all you got is a parametric equalizer, which I take through some automation effects. The kick is the parametric equalizing that I did for that one. So I've shared that with you on the other drum kit tutorials. I got the snare, which went through some parametric equalizing. Just look at the effects tab and you're gonna see all this stuff is pretty much stock except for that sausage fattener, which was, like I said, 38 bucks for that. So enough talking, let's actually get to the beat. I want you to hear what a $60 budget beat sounds like.
Curtis King Productions. King Productions.
Okay, so I don't even know what to call this series, but I want to keep doing it. If you guys like the series, if you got some names for the series, if you want to call it FL Studio Budget, whatever it is, I want to start taking challenges. So if you guys want to start throwing numbers out, you say, Curtis, man, I'm giving you a $5 budget. Make me a beat. Then we'll go ahead and do that. Now, keep in mind what we're... No. Now keep in mind, we're not counting FL Studio. I already copped that. I already got my $299 version. We're not counting that. We're counting all the sounds that we're getting. So give me a little leeway. Let's say at least 10 bucks, because that's my Splice account. If I got my Splice account, the possibilities are endless. And once again, if you want to go ahead and sign up for a Splice account, I do believe they give you a discount if you use my discount code. So go to splice.com/VIP/Curtis King. I know for a fact if you go ahead and sign up, they give your man some of them their credits. I'm fiending, fam. I'm fiending like a crackhead for these Splice credits. Anyways, this is Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com. Peace. Please subscribe to the channel below, Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com.